This day I'm going to show you how to adjust the valves on a VWT3 water boxer. Yeah, I have a carbureted one, but it's exactly the same procedure on the on an injected one. For comfort purposes, I would suggest you to remove the intake manifold. You will need a 50 millimeters, a flathead screwdriver, and a cross screwdriver to remove this screw here. First of all, remove your vacuum lines. Removed. Then remove the crankcase breather. Then lift this up. Forgot. Lift the strap. Lift this up. You may need some force, like I do. Removed it. Nothing broke, don't worry. Yes, then you pull this out. Removed. And forgot this. Wait, remove this clip here if you're thick. And you removed it. Easy. Then take a screw, your flathead. Forgot to remove the heat shield. I removed the 10 millimeter. Removed. After that, remove this. Wait. Like this. They are pretty strong. These springs are pretty strong. Then come here. Pry this up. You want this removed. Pry this up too. Remove. Perfect. Remove the valve cover. The gasket. The gasket is new. Replaced it yesterday, but I made something wrong, so I have to redo it again. Then you have two options. One is to set this cylinder to the top dead center, one to the other. Top dead center means that both valves are closed. So if you can do if this valve is opened, you can do this because it's closed, and the same for the other valves. I'm going to make the opposite valve of the one that's opened, because I tried to find the top dead center and it doesn't like line up with the distributor cap. So I'm doing this like here. Wait. Then I'm going to open this valve up to adjust this one, or opposite. Let's see. Wait. Yes. So I'm taking the hand, turning the engine counterclockwise. You have to be sure that your engine isn't. Oh, wait. You have to be sure that you are not in a gear. Wait. This is damn hurting. Yes. My alternator is missing because I'm repairing something. I'm going to do installation video. The alternator is pretty it's going to make this procedure way more comfortable, because you can turn it from here with a wrench on something like this. Yes, now I can do this valve here. So take the 50 millimeter or whatever you have, maybe a 13. So take your screwdriver, remove it until this is a half, this is one. Yes, now it's wiggling. You can see that it's wiggling. Now you have to put the screw in until it doesn't wiggle anymore. You can hear it's wiggling. Yes, like this. Then you're taking your screwdriver. This is a half turn. This is 1 turn. This is 1.5 turn. The manual says 2, but it's too much because sometimes the valve seats worse and then it's going to be different. Now, usually you have to do this. Wait, take the screwdriver. Okay, I adjusted it. The same goes for all the other valves, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.